Sailing, like most sports, demands a certain amount of skill and confidence from its participants before it can be enjoyed to the fullest. With knowledge and understanding of the forces which guide a boat through wind, wave, and sea, the beginning sailor can learn to conquer oceans or simply day sail with the ability to handle the unexpected. It is our hope that this tape produced for the intermediate sailor will help provide the confidence and ability to sail anywhere safely and enjoyably. So join us as some of Southern California's top sailors help you to improve your sailing skills. Our program will cover tacking and jibing, sail trim and draft control, spinnaker handling, safety, and anchoring.
Safe, efficient tacks and jives require crew coordination and timing. If you follow a few simple rules, soon you'll be tacking and jibing like the pros.
Tacking a powerful, well-tuned boat is an experience which can convert any landlubber to a sailing enthusiast. There is an air of anticipation and mounting excitement and ready about when the crew is preparing for the tack. At hard lee, the fun begins. The boat swings through the eye of the wind. The sound of sails luffing, sheets running, and winches grinding fill the air. The boat begins to accelerate on the new tack as the helmsman and grinder concentrate on keeping the tails flying. Almost as soon as the action began, the rush of activity diminishes and the crew can begin to relax until the next tack. Optimum tacks, which produce minimum loss of